Addition and subtraction of units. A number has one or more digits with place values for units, tens, hundreds, and so on. A unit is the first digit on the right-hand side of a number as shown here. Units have a value of 0 to 9. This is called place value. A number can also be represented in units, tens, hundreds, and thousands, as shown here. Addition and subtraction of units is the simplest form of calculation that can easily be done in your head or using your fingers. It is about adding or subtracting numbers that are less than 10, that is, numbers from 0 to 9. For example, addition, 5 plus 6 equals 11. Notice that the result of adding units can be more than 9 as shown in the example. Subtraction, 9 minus 5 equals 4. Notice also that addition and subtraction are opposite operations. Addition can be used to check subtraction, subtraction can be used to check addition. Addition and subtraction of multiples of 10. Multiples of 10 are numbers that can be divided by 10 without leaving a remainder. For example, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90 are multiples of 10. When adding multiples of 10, you first write 0, then you add the values of the tens as if you were adding units. Write the answer on the left of the 0. For example, in 20 plus 70 in your answer, first write 0 and then add 2 plus 7 and then write 9 on the left of the 0. 20 plus 70 equals 90. 80 plus 50 equals 130. Notice that the answer may be more than 100. When subtracting multiples of 10, you first write 0 and then subtract the values of the tens as if you were subtracting units and then write the answer on the left of the 0. 60 minus 10 equals 50. Addition and subtraction of multiples of 100. Multiples of 100 are numbers that can be divided by 100 without leaving a remainder. For example, 300 is a multiple of 100. When adding multiples of 100, you first write 00. Then you add the values of the hundreds as if you were adding units. Write the answer on the left of the 00. For example, in 200 plus 700 in your answer, first write 00 and then add 2 plus 7 and then write 9 on the left of the 00. 200 plus 700 equals 900. 800 plus 500 equals 1300. Notice that your answer may be more than 1000. When subtracting multiples of 100, you first write 00 and then subtract the values of the hundreds as if you were subtracting units and then write the answer on the left of the 00. 900 minus 800 equals 100. Addition and subtraction of multiples of 1000. Multiples of 1000 are numbers that can be divided by 1000 without leaving a remainder. For example, 5000 is a multiple of 1000. When adding multiples of 1000, you first write 000. Then you add the values of the 1000 as if you were adding units. Write the answer on the left of the 000. For example, in 3000 plus 7000 in your answer, first write 000 and then add 3 plus 7 and then write 10 on the left of 000. 3000 plus 7000 equals 10,000. When subtracting multiples of 1000, you first write 000 and then subtract the values of the 1000 as if you were subtracting units, and then write the answer on the left of the 000. 5000 minus 2000 equals 3000. Understanding addition and subtraction with different multiples makes it easy to make mental calculations, even with larger numbers.
Need more help? Ask Maskey to make it easy. And let the maths finally start mathing.